Ang galing naman.
Mami,
Thank
hindi mo
you.
naman.
Ano siya, B? Honey.
Gagawan.
Excuse me.
Kaya ito hindi na mahaba. You have to do this.
Ano ba? May susi. For Mami from Kuyater Bottom.
Oh my gosh!
First of all, dear Mommy, I want to say thank you for being our mom, for being us today, raising us, never giving up, even though sometimes life is hard. Thank you for your endless love, even though we are good. There will never be enough. Thank you in this world. After everything you've done to us, sacrifice yourself just for us. You gave us life. For all the things have changed, your love is the only thing that hasn't changed. I know that we have misunderstanding and fights, but that will never change how much I love you. You're my mom, and I've been in this world and take your place, and they change how much I love you. Sorry if sometimes ang haba ang at some point, angry, or we say
Something that
turn me down, especially when it comes from your own children. Mommy, you've done so much. I will promise you, Mommy, na when life finally favors me,